Hello everyone, welcome to this Mindset Service. This is a review of the customer number 1038. This is the Acer laptop, and the problem was the hinge was broken on the left and on the right side, and we managed to fix it for a customer. Able to follow it just as normal as usual. So, and we reinstall the window. Customer request to reinstall window and program as well. So I'll let you know that if you have a laptop that the hinge was broken and not want to change a new case, in case you can send it to us to fix it. Okay. We have totally, as Mindset Service, we have 10 branch in total. So you can send the branch that near to you. So you can search it on Google Map. So we're gonna stop right now and gonna see you next video. Bye bye.